Alright, so welcome back. I'm just doing the intro now for the second session. Been having some issues with the car. Whilst they had a clamp fail, so had lucky out a spare, got that in. Went out that first session, the tyre gauge. Actually, I've been having issues with tyre pressure ever since. I went and bought a good tyre gauge this week, and that's yeah, now I've got accurate tyre pressure. So it's a big investment. Well, not a big investment, but something like this is $200. But now I'm actually getting accurate pressure, so about to go get ready for my third session. But yeah, about to go and do that third session. So hopefully the car's sorted now. I'll get out there and we'll see how we go. So yeah, that's me out for the day. Busted the silicon coupler, but set a new PB, so pretty stoked. It's fortunate I've got a coupler sitting in the shed, which I probably should have swapped out before this event, but was just lazy. So it's my own fault. But anyway, that's it. I'll probably cruise down the pits with some cool cars here. I'll get some footage up of that, and cheers for watching, guys. So yeah, that was round 4 of QR Time Attack today. Did pretty well there. Set a new PB, which I'm actually stoked about. Was expecting to dip that low into the 58s this year. So very happy with that. Unfortunately, yeah, that silicon coupler let go and that ended the day. It's all right because we'd sort of finished the layout I'd actually wanted to do for the day. The worst part of it is actually have one sitting on the shelf in the shed at the back that I was meant to change over before I head out, but well, it shows you don't do the prep work, you don't put the effort in, you don't get the reward. So we'll get that sorted before King of QR for next month. And yeah, just see, I've probably put in a bit of footage there from some of the cars in the pits. That Lotus, that's an amazing piece of kit. That'll be heading to World Time Attack this year. It's good having a chat to the owner driver of it, and just the little issues that are and quirks that they have with a car like that. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you on the next one.